Is it the right time to make a decision about supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we will delve deeper into supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, February 14, 2024. Now, we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any critical updates that could potentially impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 4, 2024, our system has ranked supermicrocomputer as a hold/accumulate with a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. It's been impressive. Supermicrocomputer surpassed our expectations and gained 204.9% since we first recommended buying it 29 days ago. That's an average return of 7.07% per day since it was labeled as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates anticipated high volatility and risk for the next trading day. With recent developments, it's difficult to predict the stock's next direction. It could go either way. The stock price has recently broken a strong upward trend, indicating a potentially even stronger rate of increase. If there is any pullback, there is support at the previous trend level of $692.81, which could present a second opportunity for growth. Some experts believe that the next significant level of resistance could be at $935.42. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential change of 180.15% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 43.24% to 120.42%. For the 12-month trend, it suggests a potential change of 189.76% over the next year, with a possible return ranging from 22.74% to 77.70%. This means that the price of the stock could range from $1,080.79 to $1,564.73 after 1 year. Our latest update on supermicrocomputer brings exciting news. The stock price surged by 11.25% on Wednesday, grabbing everyone's attention. On the trading day of Wednesday, February 14, 2024, the supermicrocomputer stock price experienced a remarkable rise from $791.49 to $880.55. This marks the 8th consecutive day of gains. It's unusual for stocks to gain for so many days in a row, so a temporary dip may be expected. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $820.88 and a high of $886.03, showing a 7.94% variance. During the past 10 days, the stock price has risen in 9 of them, resulting in an impressive 66.26% increase over the last 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume of shares traded also increased along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 5 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 19 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $17.13 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price at $886.03 and its lowest at $85.61. Currently, the price is 0.62%, or $5.48, lower than the 52-week high of $886.03, which also happens to be the all-time high for this stock. Let's take a look at the latest analyst ratings for SMCI. On Tuesday, February 13, 2024, Susquehanna gave SMCI an underperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Susquehanna gave SMCI a negative grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Wedbush gave SMCI a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, January 22, 2024, Wedbush gave SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, August 23, 2023, Wedbush gave SMCI a neutral grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have given Super Micro Computer stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as buy and the price to book as buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. In this video, we'll be discussing Super Micro Computer and the signals that have been identified for its stock. Super Micro Computer's stock currently shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal observed from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections down, there will be support from the lines at $749.79 and $465.93. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 18, 2024, and since then, the stock has risen by 182.74%. This suggests that further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. The volume of trades is increasing along with the price, which is considered to be a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, we have a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal was observed 20 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was observed 101 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, a buy signal was observed 20 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, we have a sell signal from 31 days ago. When we consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we saw a buy signal 42 days ago. If we take a look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following. The short moving average indicates a sell signal from 31 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 43 days ago. Considering the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we observed a buy signal 48 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Super Micro Computer. When it comes to support levels, there are a couple to keep in mind for this stock. The first one is at $773.01, just below the current level. If the stock were to break this support, it could potentially fall to the next one at $681.59. So it's important to monitor these levels closely. Trading stocks always comes with a certain level of risk, especially when a stock is testing a support level. If the support is broken, it could indicate further downside. In the case of Super Micro Computer, if it breaks the support at $773.01, the next support levels to watch out for are at $681.59 and $663.35. It's worth noting that this stock is considered to be very high risk due to its volatility. It can experience significant movement during the day. The Bollinger Band also indicates a large prediction interval for this stock. So it's important to carefully consider the risks before making any investment decisions. Looking at the recent performance, we can see that the stock has had a daily average volatility of 7.23% over the past week. On the last trading day, it had a price range of $65.15 between its high and low, representing a 7.94% fluctuation. This gives us an idea of how much the stock can move on a daily basis. Today, we'll be discussing the trading levels for Super Micro Computer and analyzing some essential fundamental data. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares the company's current share price to its per-share earnings and is a key indicator of valuation. A high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued or that investors are anticipating strong growth in the future. Moving on to the latest news, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for May 07, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $5.62. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Super Micro Computer. When analyzing the stock, we see that there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This means that under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you decide to enter a position, it would be wise to use volume as an indicator for determining when to exit. On the downside, Super Micro Computer encounters its first support level at $773.01. This support level can act as a good entry point, as there is a possibility of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Super Micro Computer has received an overall buy rating. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider trades were conducted by Clegg Don W. He bought and sold a total of 534 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power ratio to be positive, reaching 41.900. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 483,499 shares and sold 213,407 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $853.96, which represents a decrease of 3.02%. This particular stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a higher level of risk. The RSI 14 indicator is currently at 99, further amplifying the risk involved. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom that occurred 19 days ago. Is Super Micro Computer stock a good buy? While Super Micro Computer holds several positive signals, we believe that it may not be a strong buy candidate at the current level. Instead, it should be considered as a hold candidate or one to accumulate as we await further development. Although there are some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Thursday, February 15th, we expect Super Micro Computer to open down by $18.06 and start trading at $862.49. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of potential financial loss. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the current view of this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't hesitate to comment below and share your opinion. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a beautiful day ahead. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.